Hello, I'm an urban survivalist. I've watched a few reviews for the portable mini alcohol burner, and I've noticed that people are having difficulty threading the wick. Being an ex-engineer, I thought the holes were designed that size for a reason, so I did not want to make the holes any bigger. For my first attempt to thread the wick, I took a tea light and I waxed the end, fashioning the end into a point, and I tried to thread that through the hole. It failed miserably. The wick just flared out. For my second attempt, I took a needle threader. Thought I'd use that. That wasn't a good idea either. Failed miserably because it just doubles the size of the wick going through the hole, which is already small enough. So my third attempt, I thought, these food bag end ties, maybe this candle will come in useful after all. I burnt off the coating and I was left with a thin piece of wire. I then took this thin piece of wire and I wrapped it around the end of the wick 3 or 4 times. I then took the wire, threaded it through the hole, and I pulled gently until the wick came through. There you have it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Everything's easy when you know how. A few extra points. The wick hole size is 2mm and the wick is about 2.2mm, but as I say, this is fluffed out, and the breather hole is about 1.5mm. The fuel capacity is 15ml, but I would not add more than 10ml of fuel to allow space for the wick and for a little air. Meths, methylated spirit, also known as denatured alcohol, seems to work best, and you could add 1/4 teaspoon of water to the fuel to reduce the soot. Now the rubber seals perish in time, so what I would do is take some silicone grease, just a small quantity, and smear it gently, lightly over the entire seal and put it back in. That'll prolong the life. Now this stuff, in my opinion, is very expensive for what it is. So unless you're a plumber, just buy a small amount. I've had this one for about 6 years. Incidentally, I would love to hear what uses people have found for this little burner, so please let me know. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please add a like and look out for more future videos. Have fun.